Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new and watching my video for the first time, my name is Gitanjali Garg and I'm so elated to inform you that this is my first video of 2023 and I want to wish you all a very happy new year. I hope you had a great 2022 and I wish that you have a great 2023 as well. Talking about 2023, I'm sure you guys are wondering what is it that we can change in our life, what are the habits that we can implement that is going to make our 2023 better. So stay tuned because in this video today, I'm going to be sharing some habits that are going to change your life in this year. Welcome back. Before I start on with the topic of today's video, I really want you guys to understand what exactly habits are and what exactly habits mean. Now, there are n number of definitions and explanations for the term habit or what habit is. However, what I could understand from the time that I spent for my research is that habit is an acquired behavior pattern that you follow regularly until it becomes almost involuntary. So it's not the habit that you need to work on, it's the behavior pattern. We need to work on the good behavior. The way we behave contributes to who we are, our personality, and the goals that we achieve. Learning the skill to acquire good habits or good behavior pattern and breaking the bad ones is an essential life skill. So let me give you these 10 habits that are going to change your life in 2023. No, this is not how it works. It did not work for me. I did watch those videos. I watched so many of these videos and this is not how it works. Instead, what worked for me is this 3-stage mechanism that I'm going to share with you. I started implementing it since May 2022 and that is what has been working for me till now. Since those 7 months, I've seen this incredible change in my life and I would want to share it with you. I've always mentioned that through this channel, I'm going to share my experiences as well, and that is why I have come up with this 3-stage mechanism wherein you will not only learn how to implement the new habits but also how to remove the bad ones. So I'm going to be mentioning these 3 stages, which is replenish, regain and rejuvenate. Talking about the first stage, which is our replenish stage, here I'm going to help you in removing all the negativity or toxicity that you have in your life for you to welcome the good, the positive things in your life, and that is why I have named it as the replenishing stage or the detoxify stage, as you may say. The first thing in this stage I want you to do is ask yourself, what is it that you are not doing right? What is it that hasn't been working for you in 2022? What are the things that you know you are doing wrong? You know that they are wrong and you need to change them. It is going to be hard for you to accept the truth, but you need to change that. If there's something that did not work for you and you know that it is wrong, start working on rectifying it, because it is okay for you to accept that ugly truth for now instead of satisfying yourself with that lie that's not going to serve you at all in the longer run. We would want to change all those things that did not work for us and would want to replace them, replenish them in 2023. The next thing in this replenish stage is going to be find closure. Find closure to all those things that are not letting you sleep at night. Be it your toxic work environment, be it your toxic boss at work, be it that toxic relationship that you are in, be it those toxic people, anything, be it your financial mismanagement, be it your debt or credit card debt or the loan that you have. Find a way with which you can act on all those things. For now, I know it must be difficult to immediately find closure to those things, but what I want you to do is at least start framing a plan, start working, start acting on the things that are going to help you in get that peaceful sleep at night. Because you guys, I have been there. I've had a time in my life wherein I did not get the required sleep. My whole habit pattern, my whole routine, my physical health, my mental health was disrupted. It was a vicious circle. Due to lack of sleep, I did not have the right physical and mental health, and I know how it can disturb your productivity and lead to a very stressful life. The third thing in our replenishing stage is going to be removing negative people from your life. You are the average of the 5 people you spend your time with, says American author and entrepreneur Jim Rohn. This is precisely why you should be careful of who you spend your time with. Let go of relationships that bring you down instead of lifting you up. Let go of all those toxic people in your life who, rather than motivating you, keep on discouraging you. who do not trust you enough, and that is okay. That is completely okay to let go of those people. Instead, spend your time with the people who know how to share and nurture the happiness. Since happiness is contagious, it's the easiest way to create positivity in your life. The next stage is going to be our regain stage. Here we are going to regain our physical health, our mental health, and focus on our self-care and ourselves. The first thing here I want you to do is build a routine for yourself. I know in the beginning it's going to be hard. You will find resistance and you will have to fight it. It is very normal for you to feel that resistance because you have been very much used to or prone to your normal routine wherein you were not thoughtful or mindful of your actions or your behavior pattern. But in the beginning, only in the beginning, it's going to be a little hard for you. In 2022, it was also difficult for me to build that routine. Somehow I came up with a way to fight that resistance. If you want to know more about it, you can see a video that I've linked in the iCard above. Go watch that video and you will know a mantra on how you can fight resistance in your life. If you have a time schedule for yourself, it is going to somehow ensure a structured way and also increase the productivity throughout your day. Build yourself a routine that is going to serve you well and it will increase your productivity. You do not have to take pressure on yourself. Make sure that you do one step at a time. For today, what I want you to do is, if you're watching this video, what I want you to do is just make a timetable for yourself. Just make a time schedule for yourself. Spend those 10 minutes wherein you will write a timetable for 24 hours of your day. I just want you to make a timetable for today and we will work on it tomorrow. Don't make a lot of habits together because you will end up doing nothing. Don't do everything at once. Take it easy on you. I know it is going to be difficult during the beginning. I know you will feel that resistance, but it is incredibly important for you to have a structured day. It is not only going to train your brain, but it is also going to help you in being more productive throughout the day. And you can thank me later. Another thing in this regain stage is going to be the self-care. Taking time off to unwind yourselves can do wonder for your mental health, for your mood and your self-esteem. Do at least one thing in a day that can uplift your mood, that can make you feel good. Maybe put on some karaoke music and start singing. Listen to some nice music. Maybe you can start dancing on some music. Cook a nice meal for yourself. Take that hot shower, cold shower, or learn a new skill. Do anything that makes you feel good. Put a nice sheet mask. Do everything that you like or you love. You can also start focusing on your physical health, your mental health. Now, it's not necessarily that you have to go to the gym. You can also go for a walk or you can play on some music and start dancing like I said before. But make sure that you are definitely giving that time in a day wherein you do something for your body, your mind and your soul. I always keep on emphasizing on one thing in all my videos, and that is spending time with yourself. Give yourself 5 to 10 minutes in a day wherein you are practicing deep breathing. Meditate for those 5 to 10 minutes in a day wherein you are in complete silence, out of any social media activity or any disturbance or distraction. The third thing in the regain stage is going to be start reading books. I know it comes from somebody who was a non-reader. It was very difficult for me to read anything, especially any book. I have been a non-reader all my life, but this is what I've been doing since May 2022. I'm not telling you to set a goal of reading one book in 7 days or reading one book in 30 days. All I want you to do is start reading a book for 30 minutes in a day. If that is too much for you, at least start reading a book for 15 minutes in a day and gradually increase it to 30 minutes. All you have to do is just read a book for 30 minutes in a day. Not a book that you would like to mention to your friends, not a book that you would like to show off that you are reading. A book that you want to read. It can be any book. If you like reading self-help books like me, go ahead and read self-help books. If you like reading novels, go ahead, read novels. If you like reading leadership related books, go ahead and read them, but only read the books that you like. Also, here, if you feel that you started reading a book and somehow you are not able to continue it, you thought that you will finish it in another 30 days or 40 days, here you're not going to give yourself a target. But if you feel while reading that book that this is something that I cannot finish or it does not interest me, stop reading that book and find another book to read. There is no pressure. Take it easy on you guys. Take it very easy. Here comes the last stage, and this is going to be our rejuvenation stage. We have already removed the bad habits in the first stage. We have regained our strength in the second one. Here we are going to rejuvenate ourselves and also help in maintaining those habits that we regained in the second stage. So the first thing in our rejuvenation stage is going to be gracias. No, wait, forget Hindi, I've started speaking Spanish. Anyway, we are going to talk about gratitude here. Start appreciating, start feeling grateful for your life. A French novelist, Jean Baptiste, once said, "We can complain that rose bushes have thorns or rejoice that thorns have roses." It's easy to get caught up in the rat race and forget how fortunate you are. Start practicing gratitude, start being grateful, start appreciating your loved ones, start saying thank you to your loved ones or the people you are surrounded to. Remind yourself at least one thing you are grateful for before you go to sleep at night and after you wake up in the morning. Trust me, this is a game changer. This has changed my life personally and professionally since I've started implementing it, and I want you to do it on daily basis. The next thing in this stage that I want to mention is make time for inspiration. Watch all those things, read all those things that keep inspiring you. In the second stage, I know I told you to read books which are going to help you in regaining your strength and training your brain, but in this stage I want you to find that time for inspiration. Do not depend on YouTube algorithm to give you inspiration. Do not wait for YouTube algorithm to throw that video on those suggested videos. I hope this video is not suggested, but if you're watching my video through the search page or your home page, then definitely you've taken that time for inspiration, and I want you to continue doing this. I want you to watch and read all those things that inspire you. If you're watching this video, you're already doing this, and be consistent on this journey. Watch one thing or read one thing every day that keep inspiring you throughout this journey, because that is going to align your habits and align your behavior, which is going to change your life for good. The final thing in this stage, in the last stage, is going to be master the art of learning. Start listening to people. Be patient when you listen to people. Not to react, but to understand and respond. It makes others feel that they are being valued and also helps you understand them better. Listen to what they have to say. Now, this habit has worked for me when it comes to my relationship with my husband, even though he might not agree after watching this video, but it has worked. It has. I know developing all these habits is going to take a lot of patience and constant effort, but that's okay. It doesn't matter how long it takes. What matters is that you do not give up. If you ever feel like giving up, all I want you to do is just pause and not quit. I hope this 3-stage strategy will definitely work for you, and if you are able to achieve any of these habits above, please comment it worked for me in the comment section below, or you can email me on my email ID mentioned in the description box, or even DM me on my Instagram handle. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys next week with another video on my channel. Till then, keep smiling. I love you all. Bye-bye.